Do you want to download Adobe Photoshop fully activated latest version with all pro features? If you want to download Adobe Photoshop free latest and updated full version, then click on the download link available in the video description. Then click on this copy button to copy these words. Just go to google.com, paste it and search. Remember that these words may be changed every time. Click on this exact link and domain name, as shown in the image. Then scroll down to the bottom. Find this type of button on the page and click on it. Wait some time on this page. When the time finished, just copy this code and paste it here. Click on this button. On this page, you can directly download Adobe Photoshop fully activated latest version. After download, extract the zip file and install the setup. When Adobe Photoshop installation finished, you can use all of its pro features for lifetime. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel to get the latest informative videos here.